possibly the most desirable four-wheel drive on the market now. This is the Land Rover Defender 110, 240 brake horsepower, in Fuji white, beautiful specification, contrasting black roof, panoramic sunroof, bonnet decals, black styling pack, black wheels, side steps. It's also got the cold winter pack, which is a great feature, so it gives you heated steering wheel, heated washer jets. The car's done 6,500 miles. It's going to go live on our website today, and it will just sell instantly. And like I said, it's the specification, because that's what it's about with the Defenders. It's about the way they look, and this car looks right. When it's white, with a black styling, with the decals, the inserts all done in black, the badging, it just works. It's the 110 as well, so it's got bags and bags of space, 240 brake horsepower, and only 6,500 miles. 2021, still under warranty till 2024 with Land Rover. You can see as we move round, 19-inch gloss black wheels, contrasting black mirrors, roof, side steps, and then as we move around the rear as well, which is quite nice, very rare. It's got the colour-coded white spare wheel cover, and then the mud flaps as well, so all looks really well. Inside, you've got your half leather, and it's like a robust trim inside, which is perfect, you know, for if you've got kids or dogs, things like that. It's ideal. It's not going to mark and things. I touched on it earlier. Cold winter pack, so we've got heated steering wheel. You've got heated seats. You've got your multifunctional steering wheel with your cruise control. The big one, massive option, £2,000 sliding panoramic sunroof. You've got all your new Land Rover touchscreen navigation system. You've also got the full on-road and off-road and 3D camera system, which again is absolutely superb. So there's just cameras all the way around the car, as you can see. Front and rear heated screens. It's got some lovely little features on this car. Privacy glass on the back. Look at the space in the back as well, bags of room. And the car is absolutely immaculate, as you would expect. It's only done 6,500 miles. Spare wheel cover, touched on. Bags and bags of space. It's going live on our website now. Check the website, it'll be live in the next 30 minutes.